Hey Spice Traders! Nina here from Ajayastro Money Guru, your go-to source for everything you need to know about the commodity market. Today, on the 20th of June 2024, we are turning up the heat with a deep dive into the world of cardamom. Hold on to your hats, spice lovers, because the market is giving us a bit of a mixed bag. Cardamom prices have been playing a game of limbo lately, seemingly frozen in place for the third day in a row. But here's the twist. We are seeing a massive surge in arrivals. Normally, you'd expect that kind of influx to send prices plummeting, right? Not so fast. Demand is the missing ingredient in this recipe. It seems the post-Eid celebrations have tempered the spice cravings, and folks just aren't buying as much cardamom as they were before. Let's get down to the nitty-gritty of the numbers. The average price per kilogram has taken a slight dip, settling in the 2,264 rupees to 2,370 range. However, the highest price per kilogram has actually climbed up to 3,200 rupees. That's quite a jump. Market arrivals have taken a dramatic turn, doubling to a whopping 105,856 kilograms. While offtake is also up, it hasn't seen the same meteoric rise. So, what does all of this mean? It tells us a few important things. First, demand is the real puppet master here. The increased supply isn't pushing prices down further because the buying frenzy has cooled off. Second, there's still a strong appetite for high-quality cardamom, as evidenced by that price spike at the top end. And third, the market is finding its footing. The stability of grade-specific rates in the face of fluctuating overall prices suggests that supply and demand are starting to reach a new equilibrium. Now, the million-rupee question, or perhaps the cardamom rupee question, what lies ahead? Will demand rebound as the post-Eid period fades into the background? Will this deluge of arrivals continue, potentially putting even more pressure on prices? And how will the quality of these new arrivals shape the overall market landscape? These are the key questions we'll be keeping a close eye on in the coming days. In the meantime, if you are involved in the cardamom trade or simply a spice enthusiast, here are a few tips to keep in mind. Stay informed about the latest market developments, particularly those all-important arrival numbers. If you are in the market to buy, prioritize high-quality cardamom, as it continues to hold its value. And above all, don't panic. The market is simply adjusting, and rash decisions rarely lead to favorable outcomes. Remember, knowledge is your most potent weapon when it comes to navigating the market. Stick with Ajayastro Money Guru for in-depth analysis, timely insights, and those crucial market updates that keep you ahead of the curve. As always, happy trading.